In World War II, America needed pistols, millions of them. But the biggest maker wasn't Colt, it was a typewriter company. Remington Rand turned a quiet Syracuse plant into a river of Model 1911 A1s. Office machines became weapons of war, ribbon spools to recoil springs, carriage rails to pistol slides. They weren't alone. Singer made sewing machines. Union Switch and Signal built railroad gear, now all cranking out pistols. Factories, once meant for paperwork, learned wartime precision by the thousandth of an inch. The result? A sidearm that worked through salt spray, jungle mud, and frozen foxholes. Everywhere American soldiers fought. The craziest part? The typewriter firm built nearly half of all 1911s in the war. In an age of total war, even the office could pull a trigger.